Shalom Aleichem, welcome to class. So today we'll be wrapping up the Hebrew Hevarah. So and we have been able to, at least a few series now, we have been able to address the definition of the Hebrew Hevarah, and it means the Hebrew syllable. So we are able to address the open syllable and the exceptions that are there. So today we'll be addressing the closed syllable. However, before we dive into that teaching properly, we will address a particular pause in Hebrew, which is called matek. Matek, and matek is a secondary accent which is introduced in the course of reading. So it helps the reader to pause in the course of the reading. So matek will also make either a short or a long vowel when attached with a consonant to form an open syllable. So then I'm gonna highlight a few instances now. For instance, the Greek word, the Hebrew word for she was great, which means rabita, and then the other one is and he was, that's wa yeri. So these two will be highlighted here. Then we'll see how a short vowel can also be seen as an open syllable due to the metek attached. So on the Hebrew Hevarah, so this is what called metek, and it is a secondary accent I've said that introduces a pause. So the reader have to pause in the course of the metek. We have a word like ra, rabita. Now we have rabita by transcription. We have resh. We have hamet with a long vowel. We have bait. We have seva with air vowel. We have top. We have hamet long vowel. Then we have e. Now rebita, and it means she was great. She was great. Now from this side, this is the metek. So this is the symbol of metek. So once metek is there, introduced, the reader has to pause while reading this word. That is ra, beta, ra, beta. So there has to be a pause in the course of reading. So the pause will be here due to the metek. Alright, so then due to the pause, then this particular syllable is seen as an open syllable, regardless of the vowel. Usually open syllables are formed by the combination of a consonant and then a long vowel or a naturally long vowel. So, but in this case, once metek is introduced, then the vowel, either short or long, will be seen with that consonant as an open syllable. So that creates an open syllable rather than a closed syllable. Now, in this particular structure, this is a long vowel, so it's still normal. Now, let's see the second structure. Then that will come with a short vowel, that's pata, and to see form an open syllable due to the metek, which is the secondary accent that introduces a pause in the course of reading. Let's have the other part. Yeah. Now we have va yeri, va yeri. Let's translate. We have this verb or wa. Then this meteg, this pata, a short vowel. So this pata, we have yot, this is a va. Then we have e, and we have irregular. That's a naturally long vowel. So that is va yeri, va yeri. And in this particular structure, this syllable, which is va here, is seen as an open syllable. So a consonant attached with a short vowel. So it's seen as an open syllable rather than a closed syllable. So this has altered the law from the beginning that an open syllable is usually formed by the combination of a consonant and a long vowel or short or a naturally long vowel. But in this case of meteg, then due to this pause introduced, because meteg introduces a pause in the course of reading. So from this pause, this has created an open syllable. So that shows we have va yeri, va yeri, and it is translated as and he was, and he was. So the meteg is the last point on that or open syllable structures features. So when meteg is there, that alters the normal principle for creation of an open syllable. So now let's address the closed syllable. We have the closed syllable or closed Hevarah. Now, closed syllable has two major structures. It is seen this way: C, V, C. In other words, a consonant, then a vowel, then a consonant. Now, this vowel is usually seen as a short vowel. So you have a short vowel introduced. So a consonant, a vowel, and then a consonant. So the combination of a consonant and then a short vowel and then a consonant. So this is the pattern it usually takes. That's the closed syllable. However, there are exceptions where this could be uttered, and that will discuss subsequently. So when you see a consonant, a short vowel, and another consonant, that is the close syllable. And we have a few examples.